Alright, so I wasn't originally going to film this, but this is the cut file for the Easter page that I showed, and I wanted to show you how I'm going to organize it so you guys have access to it. And sometimes this is how I design my pages. In this case, I actually did design it this way. So I ended up not using the word Easter, so I am going to hide that, but I'll leave it there in case any of you guys like that better than the big fancy Easter. For this layout, I liked that better. So what I did was, when I started designing this, I knew I had a 12 by 12 page. Oops, I'm gonna put that back. And I had the strip on the left of the stamp, or not the stamping, the stenciling. So that was about 3 inches, I believe, on the left side of the page. And then I had my photo, which was, I believe, 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. I could just click on it here. 3/4, 5 3/4 by 7 3/4. So that was my photo matted. So that was the biggest amount of space I had to work with. And you can see I was playing around. This didn't end up coming together like I thought it would on the actual page, which is part of why I do this ahead of time. But this Easter board definitely was a different size than I thought I was going to need, and I liked it better at the bottom. So it ended up being much bigger than what I originally thought I was going to need, which is why I like doing this sort of layout before I do the cut, so that I'm not cutting something in the wrong size. So for this one, for you guys, what I'm going to do is put, my dog says hi, send it back, nope, not that far, forward, okay. So these 2 eggs, you guys will know, you can just stack them back in the basket. And egg hunt is actually 2 separate words, but it'll cut out as 2 separate words. I'm just going to hang them out there. And then you can cut out the little chickie if you want. He does come out in 3 separate pieces. I didn't know that when I was cutting him. So he didn't end up on the page because I wanted to see his cute little feet and his cute little hair. So I think I'm going to do a 2-page layout and put him probably somewhere over here. So that's how I design a page. Hopefully that helped. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I'll see you next time. Take care.